Right. So my name's Kevin Walheim. I'm the owner of Cal Commercial Insurance, and I'm here. I'm your contractors insurance specialist in the Builder Trades Network. I've been insuring the construction trades for well over 10 years. And in this presentation, I'm going to spill a lot of dirt and secrets about some insurance companies they may not want you to know about them. Good for them, bad for you, as being the insured. This is the Insider's Guide to Contractors Liability Insurance. Secrets insurance companies pray you never discover. Basically, as you know, as a contractor, there are so many things to worry about. Will you have consistent jobs? How do you keep your reliable, skilled workers? What's required to keep your employees safe? How can you keep your jobs completing as scheduled? Now, making sure you have the best contractor's liability insurance coverage at the lowest price can be another thing to worry about. And that's my area of expertise, and that's what I do to help contractors. That's the value I bring. Now, in this Insider Guide, we'll share secrets on how to find the best insurance broker who will look out for you and your business, what clauses and policies to be aware of, and what you need to protect your business. I'm going to talk about samples of well-written policy exclusions so you know exactly what is covered and what isn't. I'm also going to go over examples of vague policy exclusions that cause denied claims to be aware of. Those are the two things you need to be, to understand what's a good policy versus a bad. Understanding policy exclusion. That's a key point of what I'll be talking about. This is how I educate my clients on what is a good and a bad policy. So first off, I want to start off by a little insurance 101. We want to talk about captive agents, independent brokers, and brokers who specialize. There are two types of insurance agents: a captive agent and an independent broker. Me, myself, I'm an independent broker, but a captive agent represents only one company and it has no other insurance options. We see them advertised all the time. The best examples are your State Farm, Farmers, Allstate Insurance. So if you go as a contractor, if you go to one of them for your contractor's liability insurance needs, they have one carrier, one product for you. As a contractor, it's very complex. You need multiple options. I would never recommend going to them. As a contractor, you need better choices that could suit your needs. As you know, these agents will only provide one quote, as I said, and write policies for one insurance company they represent. So it doesn't give you much choice. An independent insurance broker, that's what I am, is appointed with multiple insurance companies. So they have the ability to shop for their clients. Because they have multiple insurance carriers to quote, they can help you choose the best coverage and premium options for your business. Now, a broker should have multiple options to offer their contractor clients. Very important. There's no such thing as the best carrier for every construction trade. The bottom line is I work with over 8 carriers, and all of them have different strengths and weaknesses for different construction trades. So there is no such thing as the best carrier for every trade. That does not exist. So if a broker only offers one option, it's possible that their agency may have a quota requirement with that one insurance carrier. That's a big red flag, because now they're pushing a product for more commission and they're not looking after your best interest. Sometimes they have, like I said, they receive higher commission when they meet their quota requirement. So that's a big red flag. If someone says they're a broker and they're only pushing one product and don't have much to offer, that could be a sign. There are also 2 types of independent brokers: those who specialize and those who write everything. As you know, in every BTN meeting I always say I'm your contractor's insurance specialist. I specialize in that. A broker who specializes with a focus on a specific industry or type of client. Examples of a broker who specializes in insurance solutions for contractors, lawyers, accountants, manufacturers. You want to, it's better to work with a specialist in your arena, because every industry has different underwriting guidelines.